Hello to all beautiful children out there. Welcome to 14th episode of ABC, a better change for a better life, presented by Story Labs. Let's get into story. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful place with a beautiful beach. And there was this guy called Krish. Krish used to go to walk or jog each day. Every day morning, he used to go for a jog and then come back. This was his everyday routine. That day also, he woke up, got ready, and he went to jog. And he found an old lady doing something on the side of the beach. But he didn't actually knew what she was doing. He didn't think much about it, and he just finished off his jog and went back home. Every day he used to go to jog and see this lady doing something and then come back home. After a few days, he got really curious to find out what this old lady was doing on the side of the beach. He wanted to know what she was doing, and that day when he went to jog, in between he stopped jogging and he went nearby that old lady. And you know what? That old lady was brushing and cleaning the little turtles. She used to catch the turtles in a small net, clean all of them, and again she used to leave them into the water. But all this act looked very strange to Krish. Now he got even more curious to know why she was spending so much of time and effort in doing this. So that day he thought he will definitely talk to that old lady and find out what. He goes nearby and asks her, Ma'am, I kept watching you from many days. I saw you doing something here. But what are you doing? I see you every day. And that old lady is very happy to talk to him. As if she's very close to him, as if she knows him from very longer time. She'll tell him that I keep cleaning these turtles because if I clear the dust on the turtles, sunlight would help turtles live for a longer time. Krish was absolutely shocked on listening this answer. He was surprised. Ma'am, what are you saying? There are thousands and thousands of turtles in this beach, and you could clean probably 4 or 5 in a day. How is that making a difference? And are you spending these many hours of effort on it? The old lady just smiles and she'll say, you don't know. If this little turtle can talk to you now, it will definitely tell you how much difference this little effort has made on them. Did you understand the impact that it made? Let me explain you. You know what? Last week I was talking to one of my students and he told me, Mom, this Dinesh, he doesn't study well, no? And every day he'll ask for my help. Every day he comes to me and he'll say, I did not understand mathematics. I did not understand social studies. Can you please give me your book? Can you please clarify this answer? All sort of questions, ma'am. I'm really fed up. He will anyways not study well, no? If I help him, what difference will it make? He will anyways not study well. I was really upset with this conversation. And I was really upset with the kind of understanding all these little children had. You know what? Maybe even your friends needed help from you. Maybe they're not that intelligent like you. Maybe they are not that fast in picking up things like you. But when they come to you for some sort of help, maybe in helping them understand the concepts, maybe giving them some notes, maybe giving them some important points from the subject, be whatever. Why do you think that it is not going to create any difference in them? You know what? When you talk to a friend or anybody with a piece of correct information, you are making them intelligent. And every time you put in some effort in making them intelligent, you must realize that one day they are going to be equal to you, probably more than you, and you are doing such a big help to them. And having this sort of understanding that this is a small effort, this is a small thing, how is that going to make a big difference, should be changed. Be it helping the poor children, helping somebody with some food each day, anything. Any small help that we do will definitely have a bigger and bigger impact on somebody's lives. And you will never know how big that is. So all of you will start changing your opinions on helping or putting in small efforts in helping others, right? This would definitely bring a very huge impact on others, and you will be very, very happy to know about it one day. Hope you all enjoyed this story. Please do like, share and subscribe to Story Labs for many, many beautiful stories from us. See you with the next story. Until then, bye bye.